You wouldn't race a Ferrari with the wrong fuel, right? So why would you feed a powerful model messy, broken data? Great ML doesn't start with models, it starts with data. Data is the fuel, the foundation, the secret sauce behind every ML success story. You can have the best algorithm on the planet, but if your data is trash, your results will be trash too. Let's fix that. Think of your ML pipeline like a Formula One car. The engine is your algorithm, but the fuel, that's your data. Do you, and how you prepare it determines how far and fast you go. Here's your four-step pit stop to ML greatness. 1. Data collection. Before anything, you need to get the data, but not just any data. You want it to be relevant to your problem, diverse enough to generalize, sourced from APIs, sensors, files, databases, or web scraping. Example: predicting customer churn, pull in usage logs, survey results, support tickets, etc. The wider your perspective, the smarter your model. 2. Data cleaning raw. Data is messy. Missing values, weird inconsistencies. You'll need to fill or drop missing data, mean, median, interpolation, etc. Fix categorical issues, standardize formats, handle outliers that throw your models off. This is data hygiene 101. You wouldn't cook with dirty ingredients, right? 3. Pre-processing. Now, we start shaping data into something machine readable. This means encoding text, label. Encoding, one hot encoding. Transforms categorical variables into a format suitable for machine learning algorithms. Each category becomes a binary column zeros and ones, allowing models to process non numeric data without assuming ordinal relationships. Essential for preparing categorical features like colors, days of week, or product types before model training. 4. Feature engineering. This is where the real artistry happens. You're not just preparing data, you're creating new variables that give your model superpowers. Examples: combining two columns, creating time based features, adding domain knowledge. Great features can beat fancy models. By the way, most data scientists spend 70 to 80% of their time here, not coding models, not tuning hyperparameters, but just preparing and understanding data. Clean data, thoughtful features, solid preparation. That's how you win before the model even starts learning.